guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm making some cinnamon raisin bread in my bread machine, and this is the recipe that I follow. So I have some raisins here and some ground cinnamon. I'm using brown sugar. You can always use white sugar instead, and I'm using whole wheat flour. And because I'm using whole wheat flour, I'm also adding some wild wheat gluten to my bread to make it fluffy. If you're using all-purpose flour, you don't have to add this, but I do whenever I bake with whole grains. So that's that. And then I have oil, salt, and I have milk. This particular recipe actually calls for dry milk. I'm following the manual that came with my bread machine, but I modified quite a lot in it, so to make a recipe that suits my needs. So here I have whole milk, not whole milk, it's actually 2% milk, and my yeast. So this is all the ingredients. These are the ingredients I'll be needing, and I'll show you the process. Let's start with the process. I have gone ahead and added my lukewarm water in there, and as usual, all the ingredients will be in the description box below, the measurements. So next I'm going to add my lukewarm milk in there, and the next ingredient, liquid ingredient, will be our oil. I'm gonna put that in there, and next I'm going to add all the dry ingredients. That's all for our liquid ingredients. So on top of the liquid ingredients, I added all the dry ingredients, which is sugar, flour, and the vital wheat gluten. And the final thing that I'm gonna add is my yeast on top of everything, and in goes the yeast. And after adding that, I'm just gonna close this. And so it has been a few minutes now, and you can see that the dough is started to form. Everything, the flour, the liquid ingredients, everything have come together to form a lovely ball in the middle, in the center. If you see dry flour sticking to the walls, I encourage you to add a couple of teaspoons or like few drops of water right in the corners where you see the dry flour, so that everything will come together. You can just instantly see it coming together if you add the water droplets. I forgot to mention it earlier, guys. I added some cinnamon with the dry ingredients before the cycle started, and right now my machine beeped, which means it's time for the add-ons. That's the raisin. So I'm gonna go ahead and drop my raisin in there, and just close the machine and let it do the work. So final 50 minutes, guys, and our bread is going to go into the bake mode. Let me show you how it looks before it bakes. There, it's looking gorgeous, brown, and because of the whole wheat and the brown sugar we added. And I'm going to close it. If you're going to bake with all-purpose flour and white sugar, you can expect more of a lighter color in the bread, and I'll come back and I'll show you when it's done. So here it is, guys, our final product, our gorgeous loaf of cinnamon and raisin. It's so soft and it smells just great. It's still hot. I'm gonna wait until it comes to a room temperature and slice it, and I'll store it in this box. If I see that we cannot finish it soon, I'll be freezing it in this box. And I really hope you enjoyed this video. Give this video a thumbs up and like my page on Facebook for more fun videos like this. Do subscribe to my channel, and see you guys soon again in another video. Bye.